A FINRA arbitration really has 5 parts. First is filing the claim, putting together what you are claiming is what your damages are and why it is effectively that the broker-dealer for which you're bringing your claim owes you money. The second aspect is picking your panel of arbitrators. There's a whole ranking list that comes out for arbitrators in the area for which your hearing will be, and firms like ours keep databases on all of those arbitrators as to what decisions they made in the past, how they've ruled in various cases, and use that to help us do the rankings. The third part is discovery. This is where the parties exchange documents. As the claimant, you'll have to provide things like your tax returns, your account statements, any notes that you took about discussions with your broker, your financial advisor, that kind of thing. The fourth step is attempts at settlement. Typically, this takes the form of a mediation, where you might have a mediator, somebody who helps to have the parties help negotiate to see if they can work out the issues. And then finally, it's your final hearing. The final hearing is like the trial. Instead of being in a courtroom with a judge and a jury, it's typically in a conference room at a hotel or some other location in your city. And then you'll have a panel of 3 arbitrators who play the role of both the judge and the fact finder, or what the jury typically does. But there will be lawyers there who will ask questions. There will be witnesses that provide testimony and answer questions on the stand. And there will be documents that are exchanged and evidence that's entered. And ultimately, the panel will enter a decision. Now, most cases, all cases, really go through the first 3 phases. And then whether they settle in that 4th phase or not, it's probably, I think the latest statistics are something about 85 to 90% of cases resolve at settlement. But the other 10 to 15% go to a final hearing, and the arbitrators ultimately decide if the claimant recovers anything at all and how much it is that they recover.